In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a branded QR code in Canva in seconds. As more businesses and individuals turn to digital solutions, QR codes have become an essential tool for sharing information quickly and efficiently. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing contact details, or linking to a website, generating a customized QR code can enhance your branding and make your communications more interactive and engaging. Let's dive in and start by opening Canva on your computer or mobile device. Once you're inside the Canva platform, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of tools and options to elevate your design process. Focus on finding the Apps menu. This feature houses a collection of applications that can dramatically speed up your design tasks. After you open the Apps menu, you need to type Gen QR into the search bar. Typing this will present you with Canva's integrated QR code generator. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool designed to make QR code creation easy and convenient. Now that you've located the QR generator app, the next step is to click on the Gen QR option. By doing so, you activate the QR code generator panel. On this panel, you can input the information you want your QR code to convey. This is where you can either paste a URL or simply type in text. For instance, if you're linking to a web page, make sure you have the correct URL handy to ensure your QR code directs users to the right destination. Once your content is set, it's time to add a personal touch. In the template section, Canva offers a range of color templates. This is your chance to customize the appearance of your QR code. Choosing a color template that reflects your brand's identity can help in maintaining brand consistency and recognition. Next, for a more professional and branded look, consider adding your company's logo to the QR code. Canva makes this easy by placing the logo right in the middle of the QR code, which is visually appealing and enhances branding. To do this, click on Choose File to select an image file containing your logo from your computer. Remember, a high quality logo will ensure that your QR code looks professional and remains scannable. After you've completed these customizations, the final step is to click on Add to Design. This action incorporates your personalized QR code into the current Canva design you're working on. You can adjust the size and position as necessary to fit your overall layout. And there you have it, a fully customized branded QR code ready to be shared across your marketing materials or communications. Creating a branded QR code in Canva is an incredibly straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. Still, it offers immense value by enhancing the interactivity and aesthetics of your materials. Your audience can now interact with your content seamlessly and your brand gets a consistent and professional look. Thank you for watching and happy designing.